All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a graph from the data you've collected in this investigation. So as you can see, I've already collected my data. I actually just made this up for today's example. And um, this is for the first part of the lab. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a Google Sheet. I'm just going to call it, oops, I'm just going to call this practice. And then I'm going to enter my data. So here I'm going to put height of drop, just like it says in the data table, including cm. And then in the next column, height of bounce, cm. And then below that, I'm just going to enter my numbers. I have to check, what were the numbers again? Oh yeah, 16, 33, 57, and 78. Okay. Notice that I just put plain numbers in these boxes. Google Sheets is going to get really confused if I mix numbers and letters. So don't do that. Now I'm going to put my blue box, which is down here, I'm going to move it up to the top corner. This way Google Sheets knows where to look for the data for the graph. So the next step is to go over to this button, Insert Chart, and it's going to make the graph for me. Look, it's already pretty much done. Here it put, since I put height of drop first, it put height of drop on the x-axis, which is actually where I want it. And height of bounce here is on the y-axis, which is where I want it. So that's all looking good, except it's not a line graph yet. This is supposed to be a line graph. So I'm going to just click on, there we go, line graph. And if you want to change the font, or if you want to change the color of your line, you can go to Customize and go through these different options here, and you can make any changes you want. Later on, we might work more on customizing your graphs, but for today, this is all you need to do. So I'm going to click on these little dots here and copy the chart. And it says here, follow these directions to create a line graph, and paste the graph into this box. So, paste it. Now, when it goes to paste the chart, choose this, paste it unlinked, because you don't want the spreadsheet following the graph. You just want the graph. And there you go. And so that's how you make a graph from your data and then put the graph into your lab.